I think as a first child parent, you don't know all this and you no experience. So you just ask friends, ask the person that hand me down the car seat how to install. But it's not as accurate as what I learned today lah.
It was great. In fact, you guys are very professional and very helpful. I'm very happy that I came today.
I think the installation service is very great. Yeah, I learned a lot. Yeah.
No, I think this is great. I've been looking for one. The last time I got it installed was the salesperson from Mothercare, so yeah.
I think it's brilliant. I think it's such a good and generous thing to be able to come along and have everything checked that that it's how it should be. Because as I said before, that if it's not installed correctly, then it basically wipes out most of the usefulness of the car seat. So I think that it's so reassuring to be able to check that it's what I'm doing is correct, particularly because I move my car seat quite a lot, and I think it's something everyone should do if they, particularly if they're new to using a car seat or haven't had a lot of experience in taking babies in and out, making sure that their child's strapped in properly, the seat's attached properly, and the seat's an appropriate fit for the child as well. So I think it's great.